Welcome to Casa Tomas. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to light the propane fire pit. So the first thing that you're going to do is open this door and you'll see the propane tank. You're just going to tilt the propane tank forward a bit till you can see the top. And you're going to turn the valve to the left, and when you read it, it'll say you're turning it to open it. Right? When you're done, just get stuck in there, close the door. And then you're going to come over to these two knobs on the side. And first you're going to push in the big knob and turn it to the left and continue to hold it in. And then you're just going to quickly push on the bottom one until the fire lights. And you're going to continue to hold in the big knob for about 10 seconds, like that. And now when you turn the knob, the big knob, you can make the flame larger or smaller. There, just like that. Now to turn it off, all you're going to do is turn the knob, you're going to push in the big knob and turn it to the right all the way until it's completely off. Good, you can see it's off. And then finally what you're going to do is turn off the propane tank. So again, open the door, tip it forward, turn the valve to the right, which the direction will be to close it. You'll turn it all the way until it's closed. Tilt it back in, and then just put the door back on. There you go.